Let's learn today how solar panel works. Welcome to Contentify Creations, providing top how-to animated knowledge for easy learning. Step 1: Sunshine particles. Imagine sunlight as a giant bucket full of tiny pebbles. These pebbles are actually energy packets called photons, constantly bombarding the Earth, //. Step 2: Capturing the light. A solar panel acts like a net, specifically designed to capture these energetic photons. Each panel is made up of numerous solar cells, the powerhouses where sunlight is converted to electricity. Step 3: The photovoltaic effect, electrons on the move. Inside each cell is a special material called silicon. When a photon hits a silicon atom, it injects its energy, kind of like hitting a billiard ball hard enough to knock another one loose. This extra energy knocks loose an electron from the silicon atom. Step 4: Creating a current, the duality of charge. But here's the clever part. The solar cell is like a tiny battery with two layers of silicon, one positive and the other negative. This creates an electric field, an invisible highway for electrons to travel. The loose electron is attracted to the positive layer and flows through the cell, generating electricity. Step 5: Meet the inverter. The electricity generated by the panel is initially a direct current, DC, similar to the flow of water in a garden hose. However, our homes use alternating current, AC, like the current you get from a wall outlet. That's where the inverter comes in. This nifty device acts like a translator, converting the DC electricity from the panel into usable AC electricity. Step 6: Powering your home. Now, the converted AC electricity can be used in two ways. During the day, it can directly power your appliances, reducing your reliance on the grid. Any excess energy can even be fed back to the grid, potentially earning you credits on your electricity bill. Thank you for watching. Follow for more videos like this.